Want to keep your car looking showroom fresh without spending hours in the garage? Choosing the right wax makes all the difference. In the world of car detailing, the debate between spray wax and paste wax is hotter than ever. One offers convenience in a bottle, the other promises long-lasting shine and protection. But which one is right for your ride and lifestyle? Let's break down the key differences, pros, and best use cases to help you make the perfect pick. What is spray wax? Spray wax is designed for speed, simplicity, and ease of use. Packaged in a spray bottle, it's often used as a quick detailer between washes or after a full wax job to boost shine. It can be applied directly to the car's surface and wiped away with a microfiber towel, making it a favorite among weekend washers and busy drivers alike. Spray wax is perfect for maintaining your car's look between more intensive detailing sessions. It adds a glossy layer, enhances water beading, and often contains synthetic polymers or carnauba blends. However, its protection doesn't last long, usually a few weeks, and it's more of a supplement than a full detailing solution.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
What is paste wax? Paste wax is the traditional go-to for car lovers who want deep, long-lasting protection. It typically comes in a small tub or tin and has a thick, butter-like consistency. Applying paste wax takes more time and effort, usually involving a foam applicator and a lot of buffing, but the results are well worth it. This wax bonds more effectively with the paint, offering a richer shine and durable protection. Most paste waxes last up to 3 months or longer, shielding your car from UV rays, water spots, and road grime. It's ideal for those who want to detail their car less often but still keep that polished look. Ease of application. When comparing spray wax to paste wax, convenience is a major factor. Spray wax is the clear winner for ease. Just spray, wipe, and go. It's ideal for quick touch-ups and for those who live in apartments or places without access to garage space or water hookups. Paste wax, however, requires more commitment. It needs a clean, dry surface, careful application, and some serious elbow grease. But for many enthusiasts, the process is part of the reward, a hands-on ritual that delivers unbeatable results. Durability and performance. In terms of protection, paste wax offers stronger and longer-lasting results. It resists weather, sun, and road contaminants better than spray wax. If you're looking for something that holds up over time, paste wax should be your go-to. Spray wax, while fast and easy, wears off quicker. It's best used in between full waxes or when you want a quick refresh before a night out or a weekend drive. Some high-end spray waxes with synthetic formulas offer longer durability, but they still don't quite match the lasting power of paste wax. Which one should you choose? If you want speed, ease, and a decent shine with minimal effort, spray wax is your friend. It's great for regular maintenance and keeping your car looking fresh between major details. But if you're all about deep gloss, long-term protection, and don't mind putting in the time, paste wax is worth the extra work. From quick shine-ups to deep detail days, both spray and paste waxes have their place. Your ideal choice depends on your time, goals, and how hands-on you want to get. Whichever you pick, one thing's certain: a well-waxed car always turns heads and stands the test of time.